Welcome back to the channel, Glam Squad, and this is the beginning of our Christmas extravaganza. We're gonna hit it hard next week as well, so you know what to do so you don't miss any of the festivities. You know what to do. We're gonna do 2 Frenches, and we're gonna use this really beautiful Modelones cream color. I'll put the number of it down below, but it was that little, you know how they have those pretty white square bottles, and they came in little collections. This was the flower collection. I forget what it was called exactly, something floral or something flower. Now that we've got all the creams down, gonna come in with some color. We're gonna use very traditional Christmas colors today. The green and the red and the gold, bringing it all together, doing a very old-fashioned Christmas look. There's lots of ways to interpret Christmas. I thought we'd just start off very traditional. Now, I say start off, but we did do a dark Christmas set way early in the month. I just really wanted to use that transfer foil. I'll link it up above for you so that you can check that out. It was a really pretty his and her set. This could translate into a pretty his and her set as well, but I had a lot of stuff on my plate and I really just didn't have time to do that. So we will do that next Friday. Maybe it'll be something that's a little bit Christmas, a little bit New Year's. Now that we've got all of our nails painted, and I did want to point out that because the red and the green were so sheer, I did end up doing 3 coats on those just so that we get a little bit more opacity, although the green, that one's still a little on the sheer side. So there's probably some more opaque polishes out there, or you could lay down a white and put the green on top of that if opacity was super, super important to you. Now I'm just lining the French in this pretty gold because we are going to do another treatment with gold, and I just wanted to pull it together. And I thought this was a really pretty way to do that. And the golds really are super close and matchy. So I was kind of pleasantly surprised at how close they match. This is actually a stamping gel by Nicole Diary. And what it matches to, and you're going to see that in just a minute, is a real pretty transfer foil that I think kind of has a Christmas wrapping paper sort of vibe. So you'll see that in about 2 seconds. Here it is. It's gold and very swirly. It gives me very old-fashioned vibes, and I just thought it looked like really pretty wrapping paper. So I thought it would be perfect for Christmas, especially with this green and then on the red. I think it looks the best on the green, but it's also super pretty on the red as well. There was some, the transfer foil gel was so sticky, it gave me some angel hairs, which I thought was kind of cool, but I had not seen that before, so I was kind of shocked. And here we go on the red. Look how pretty that is. I think it's just so gorgeous. It almost, if you did it on well, I think on the red for sure, but you could do it like gold on gold and it would almost look like wallpaper, right? I think it's super pretty. Now, not to waste this gold polish or gold stamping gel, we're going to come in and add a little bit of the other 2 colors and then just swirl them together with a dotting tool. There you go. And I'm just going to pick it up and lay it down on that pinky nail that we put the cream color on. Words. And I'm just playing. you know what? No rhyme or reason. If you want it to flow more, you could put a base coat or a blooming gel down so that it would spread a little more. I skipped that step, which is my mistake. Full transparency. But honestly, I'm not upset with how it came out. So it is what it is. I'm just playing now with my dotting tool and making sure I get the look I want. Added a little bit of extra gel there, giving it some fun, little love, and into the lamp for a full cure. And then it's time for some top coat. This set is very quick to do, super easy to do. Guys, I keep hearing something in the neighborhood where someone is squealing tires. And I was hearing sirens a little bit ago too, so my ears just keep hearing it. There it is again. I'm sure it's not picking up on the recording, but if you hear it, let me know. Oh my goodness. I wonder if some kids are out messing around, right? This set makes me so happy. And if you love a traditional Christmas set, this one's for you. This is the one that you would love. Here's the finished look. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Be sure to hit all the buttons so you don't miss any more of the Christmas extravaganza. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.